Hi, I'm Dee Black, your personal hairstylist here at the Makeup Mix. Today I'm going to show you how to use hair straightening cream. Today you're going to first start off with your straightening cream, a comb, and your flat iron. Right now our model's hair is almost done, but not 100%. There's still some flyaways and some frizzies. So you're going to take your cream and put a little bit in the palm of your hand, probably about the size of a dime, depending on how thick or thin their hair is. You're going to rub it in all around the hair. And once you rub it in, you take your comb in your sections and just go over it slightly with your flat iron. And as you can see, the flat iron with the heat and the product makes it nice, smooth, and straight. And each section you will do the same thing, every place where that you put the product. The one thing that you want to make sure you do not do is put too much product, because then the hair is going to be too weighed down and it's not going to flow properly. So you want to make sure just about a dime size and go all the way around the head, every place that you put the product. And you can see the difference already, that the hair is laying nice and flat and smooth. Product is key for any finished look on any hairstyle. So even while you're styling, using a straightening cream will be perfect for that. So you want to make sure you use your straightening cream when you don't want any flyaways, and you want it to be as smooth as possible. And once you go around each section and you're satisfied with the look and it's smooth all the way around, if there's any left over on your hand, you can go over it just one more time. Take your comb it down. Alright, and that's it. And my name is Dee Dee, and I have just showed you how to use hair straightening cream.